3, 2, 1. So it's kind of a sad day at the shop because we have to remove dozens of hours of work off of the Porsche 928 project. It sounds like a big deal, but actually it needs to be done because, well, we did half the car in clay, so now we have to remove that clay to then replace it with steel. But it is kind of sad because I have a lot of hours in this. Isn't that sad, Logan? Logan's crying right now. He's sobbing. There's just tears streaming down his face. There's a big snot bubble. It's all there. Anyway, so today we're going to be working on the rocker and the rear quarter panel intake on the driver's side. We'll see how far we can get. But first, we gotta get the clay off. So we figured, rather than just sitting here and picking it off and crying to ourselves, we're gonna get a little creative with it. But to get creative with it, we gotta get it outside because what we wanna do, we can't do in the shop. This is a Boxster door airbag. It's for like side collisions in an accident. I've already blown these up before, and if you remove these 3 nuts on the back side, you can pull out the airbag, and you essentially have a sublay 6-inch sub. And this 6-inch sub will nestle just perfectly inside the clay here. I think this will be our implement of destruction. We need some way to identify me?
Yeah.
Now, more importantly, if I lose an eye in this scenario, I'll stop getting comments about my 2 different colored eyes.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
So, modern problems, modern solutions.
I think we should label that spicy meatball.
I think you're probably right. It's the spicy meatball. There you go.
That's a spicy meatball.
Honey, what are you wearing on your head?
What do you mean? My reading glasses.
The idea here is to have it face like this. It's gonna blow out this way. This clay is pretty thin, so it shouldn't have any resistance or much. I got Tony's Mandalorian helmet on, extra safe. Do not try this at home by any means whatsoever. This is done by trained professionals in an enclosed course. I am standing in a puddle right now because I can't see where I'm walking. My socks are now wet, so my day is ruined. This was not on the list of things to look out for. All right.
Are we ready?
In 3, 2, 1. Yeah. It definitely pushed in the dog leg, which is fine. It's gonna cut out anyway.
Yeah, we're reshaping it anyway.
Not a big deal.
Kind of removed the clay.
Well, I removed it all the way over here. Look.
There we go.
Look at this piece. It like tumbled too. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Honestly, if you look at it, it's all separated now.
It is. No, the shockwave. The shockwave just like.
Yeah, took it all away.
Oh yeah. That was easy. Except this is gonna get reshaped anyway to go inwards, so, and cut out completely. It's really not a big deal. This is the V1. This is the V2. This is the outside for sure. This is what I'm gonna start with. So we're gonna turn this one into metal. I think I need to start by just doing some bends. This scoops this way, whereas it should be scooping that way. So we're gonna shrink this a little bit more and curve it the other way. kinda like that. But now there's a whole bunch of stuff going on in here that needs addressed. This needs flared out. Whoa. I don't know where that one came from. I take that one back. I think I should make the rocker next.
Yeah.
Because then I have a point to go off of every single time it's repeatable.
Yeah.
Right now, I just have this floating mass in the air. I think it goes approximately there, which looks right now, but as soon as I mock it up and try to measure things, it's not gonna be right. Let's take a pause on this piece, switch over to making a rocker, and then come back to this curvy boy. All right, we gotta figure out the height here, which is the power of tape.
Behold.
Behold, mortal, the age of man is ending. The tape age has begun. Bow down. I don't know.
Before tape.
Before the tape. Its tackiness will consume you. It's very precise. Ha! 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 You weren't prepared for that one.
Whoa.
I just like shot myself that like 4 times. I'm stopping now. Let's check with old Crispy here. I need to sharpen this bend, it looks like, underneath. Bend this over more on the tip. Okay. So, basically we're gonna have to go from that to this to that. It would be like this. So it needs a lot more stretching through here, that's for sure. Okay, so I think what I'd like to do is make a tape pattern that spans from here to here and kind of just covers the space. So I can flip it for the other side, and then when I line it up on the jam here, I'll know where its edge is supposed to be so I can match them. I think that's gonna be the way to do this. Here we go. Now we got a pattern. So if I close this door, I can line this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. It lines right up. Oh yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with me today. Speaking of, I gotta finish that coffee. I'm beginning to think that's gonna be close enough. Right here's a little bit off, and I'll tweak that. Okay, I'm gonna take a pattern off this now, flip it and reverse it, and make it for there. Honestly, this is definitely some orcish instrument of pain. The age of man is over. I got it this time, ready? The age of man is over. I kinda got it there a little bit, I don't know. Hit me up, Prime, if you want any more orcs. Hit me up. Ka-chow. Ka-chow. Ha! Ha! You bit disarmed by the Inksalt Master. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. You trust me too much. Well, you get, okay, if I slap you in the face, just close your eyes. Ha! 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 I dipped it.
Oh my god. Oh, that was
your last try.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I bought this thing from that one.
So blowing it up with an airbag was a lot of fun. Now we have other clay to remove on the car in due time, which will be pretty soon. So let us know in the comments below what you think we should do to remove that clay. We can get creative with it because why not? This is the internet. We're gonna have some fun with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop a like below if you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you next week. Later.